Welcome to the Sidings. All changed today. I've been doing the 60 centimetre shelf challenge. That meant I was raiding my main train set for bits and pieces, points and whatnot. And today I decided I was going to reinstate both the up and the down line, third and fourth radius curves in full loops on my 8x4 foot table, and I'd get some trains out. And the first port of call is locomotion number 1. It's not the original locomotion number 1, that's why it's era 11 for you Hornby fans. It is a reproduction at 00 scale of the reproduction at full scale that I think is at the National Railway Museum. It's gorgeous. It's just beautiful. It comes in such a beautiful little box and it's so beautifully presented. It's got painted figures to put in. It's got all the bits and pieces you could absolutely want. It's just wonderful, and it goes beautifully. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It was a Christmas present. I'm very grateful to receive presents of this calibre. It's absolutely wonderful. So, got that out, got it going. And as you would expect from a brand new locomotive, it goes beautifully and it's just wonderful. It does look slightly out of place on a vast 8x4 layout. Maybe I might need to get a circle of track to call its own. But, yeah... just wonderful. So having got that out and having reclaimed the power pack, the controller, I'll use a Gauge Master controllers from my shelf layout. I could run both up and down lines, so I got some other locomotives out. I thought I'd have a bit of a play. I've got my Ivet that was a birthday present this year, right at the beginning. Gosh, nearly 6 months ago. That's quite noisy runner, but it needed a run out, so I gave it a rake of coaches. And also there's an electric, which I was gifted last year, which has it's got a fully functional pantograph on top, which I was astonished at the time, and I still can't quite get over, that you could set up overhead catenary for a 00 layout and that it would work. But I'm not going to. I've got it set to pick up from the rails like normal, and that's just running. And it's regular DC layout as always. I don't do anything particularly fancy. In my work life, I am the destroyer of all things technical, so I don't know what I'd do to DCC given the opportunity. But there you have it. So locomotion got out, and then I put another couple of trains on to give them a run. And I've just been doing what I do and enjoying doing, which is playing with my trains. Tell you what, you watch the trains, I'll find some music, and we'll call it that, eh? Cheers, more soon. Take care.